Today we're going to bring an electric screwdriver. Now this is a really fine, small. Now this one has a lot of options. Let me show you. Let me turn it on. So right now it tells you how many throttles is going to go, 1, and then fully charged right now, but you could actually change it to different ones. And I'm going to show you, we're going to actually replace a battery in one of our laptops. And let me show you the actual case. They give you the first a holder, and then the case itself. Now the case itself, there's a push button, if you guys can see that. I mean, I currently have one, but it's not as fine and very organized as this. I am very proud. Look how much things you can actually, and it gives you a couple of ideas of things that you can actually fix with this. They have different drill heads, different types of drill head. Not only that, they also included a manual one if you want to use it manually. If you don't want to use this or it runs out of battery, you can always use this too. So that's a great option that they give you there included. Not only that, they give you an actual, to hold your screws, a magnetic pad, all right? So this is a great thing. Now look at how many options you have in here. You got multiple. I'm gonna put the number or counts of how many screw heads you have in here. Everything within the box. All you got to do in a metal container, in an aluminum container, you just push it in. You know, simple as that. And you take this with you on your backpack, on the travels. This is a plus too. Look at this. This is a little heavy weight, so you can actually just put your heads in there, your screw head, your screwdriver in here. I like the whole setup. I'm going to show you how to use this and how to take off one of the screws so you guys can see it, how easy it is to do it. To let you know, they're all magnetic in here. They're all magnetized in here. So there's magnets in there that hold the actual screws, the screw heads. So let's review a couple things about the screwdriver before you start using it. All right. So there's a couple levels that you have. Your little right now we're on number 1, if you guys can see it. But if you click 3 times, 1, 2, 3, it takes you all the levels, level 1 through level 4, right? Now, to use this is very simple. Now, you're going to have to hold down the button, but first, when you throttle in and you want it to go automatically, it'll automatically find itself how much throttle it has to use. So for laptops, it's very sensitive. You could run the screw if you overdo it. So this thing is great because it works with pressure and actually with where the direction you're twisting. I'm gonna currently, you see the screw is all the way down. We push it down. You hold down the direction. You hold it down, and you hold the button down, and you just twist a little bit, and it takes it off. Now, if you want to do it the opposite way, all you got to do is twist a little bit, and it'll do it the other way. Either direction that you go, like I'm going to show you how much pressure I'm going to do. Just a little bit, just a little tiny bit. That's one direction. It tells you right here, the arrow, what direction. And if you twist it, you push it in a little bit, and you do it the other way, it does the other one. So we're going to take out the screw, and look at this magnetic screw. And then we have, so we won't lose our screws in here. Perfect. Any kind of small items that you want, like I said, 96 plus 6 more tools included in this box alone. It's a must. Type C charging, you don't need any screws, any batteries or anything like that. It's all built in. Different levels. If you don't, you're gonna have to find your own level, and there's a manual included in here. Very thorough, the manual, and very simple to use. At the end of the day, you just put it in there. You don't have to snap anything in there. All you got to do is drop it in there, and that's it. And close it, and you're done for the day. Like the whole item, like the whole setup. Simple as that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.